Approximately one-third of respondents felt less productive when working remotely. Our task is to decide whether this conclusion follows beyond reasonable doubt, based solely on the passage above. The correct answer is conclusion follows, and we'll prove this by going through the passage line by line. A survey of 900 professionals examined how remote work affects output. This sets the scope of the study. 68% reported that their productivity was the same as or greater than when working in the office. This tells us that 68% felt equally or more productive, which implicitly means 32%, 100 minus 68, reported their productivity decreased due to remote work. The proposed conclusion states approximately one third, and 32% fits under this, felt less productive working remotely, which is implicitly stated here. Given this clear proof, if you're running out of time, you can mark conclusion follows and move on to the next question. But assuming you're not in a rush, we'll continue through the passage. Respondents with at least 5 years of remote work experience said their productivity was 30% higher than that of colleagues who had begun working remotely within the past year. This compares two subgroups, seniors versus novices, but says nothing about how many felt less productive. Software engineers registered the greatest productivity gains among all job categories. Again, this slide highlights one group's gain, but doesn't address how many felt less productive overall. Participants aged 50 and above reported 10% lower productivity than those aged 35 or younger. This focuses on age differences, not totals, so irrelevant. As mentioned before, the line about 68% reported equal or higher productivity implies that 32% felt less productive, confirming our proposed conclusion. Hence, our final answer is conclusion follows.